That autofocus though.
Dang,
Look at that.
Jake got her started, baby. Bunch of idiots.
Hey Russ,
Underdogs right now.
we out here.
Yeah. You already
First tournament. What are your predictions?
know. We're gonna catch some toads, man.
You think we're gonna win? I don't
Yeah.
know. These guys look pretty good.
At hearts, we're gonna win.
We got the old 1990 bass tracker.
Everybody got these 2021 nitros and Tritons. And they don't want the smoke.
We gotta leave early though.
Yeah.
Wonder why.
Somebody. The one time Honey Russ has a girlfriend.
Yeah, Russ got a girlfriend now.
And they will stop at nothing to get the job done. Hi, I'm Nick Green, and you heard right. We're not only selling, we're buying. Bring us your vehicle, and we'll make you a top dollar offer. And if you're still looking for a low mileage,
First fish, baby. First fish of the day.
See if it's a keeper.
We'll see if it's a keeper.
It's gotta be 12 inches.
It's gonna be close.
Oh, you got it.
Oh,
14 almost.
easy. Alright, put her in the live well.
How you feel about that?
Fucking
What time is it? We haven't been fishing 10 minutes.
7:21. We took off at 7.
Ready?
Yeah.
Update. It's now 10 o'clock.
Still got one fish.
Still only one. What are you putting on there, Russ?
A square bill.
42.2, whatever. These guys back here taking our spot, man. Update, man. Still only one fish. It's now 12 o'clock. This is what we're doing.
Wait, that is a bird. Is it?
2 hours left. About. Got any predictions for this final 2 hours?
Yeah. We're gonna catch like.
Dude, that's some funny stuff right there. Where'd you come up with that?
Well, we got a freaking another fish. We got one more fish. Oh, look at that fish. Old Winston looking good, baby.
Beautiful.
Beautiful smallmouth.
That's two, man.
That's two in the
Get a picture with your phone.
It's two in the pot. Open it up. Show the other one.
Oh.
So you can be like, we got two. Oh, there's 1, 2. 1, 2.
What a beautiful waterfall we got here. Also got some ramps, man. 31.9, 29, 30, 27. Never know what you're gonna see when fishing.
Exactly.
There's a bear. Oh no, I want to see it.
Oh, I see him. See him going up by the tree? On the hill?
Oh yeah. Well, you might have caught a glimpse of it. Pretty crazy. He was swimming across. It is now 2:17. I mean 2:22.
Yep.
I don't know why I said 17.
And
We were supposed to leave at 2, by the way.
I just broke off on a fish, but the last cast was 4. Oh, he's a feisty one. He's a feisty one, folks. Not this little guy. Yes, he is 12 inches.
Yes, he
Barely.
does meet the requirements.
Barely meets it.
Let's see what's in there.
And we got this fat girl Adam caught. Mini football.
Winston.
And we got this one.
It's a nice fish.
Yes, sir.
Tell him the bad news though.
What's the bad news?
The bad news. So, weigh in
Oh.
for this tournament we're fishing.
Is that 4?
And what time is it?
It's 2:23.
And what time were we supposed to leave?
2. So we're already running late to leave. We got 3 fish.
To add on to us already running late, we don't even get to weigh in our 3 fish that could possibly win us this tournament, man.
Yeah, and came, thinking we ain't gonna catch a thing, and we end up actually catching fish. So it's kind of, I knew this was gonna happen. I just knew it because it's just our luck. But hey.
At least we got 10 out of 10 scenic views, man.
Yep,
This is a nice lake.
it is. All right, let's get the pictures of these bad girls.
And we out.